is Caitlin Ayers, and this is my redo of my abdominal auscultation video. To start off with auscultating the abdomen, you are going to start at the right lower quadrant. The abdomen will be divided into 4 sections. You would go straight up and down at the umbilicus and straight across, and that would be your 4 quadrants. You would start with the right lower, and you listen for 1 full minute. Okay. Then we are going to move to the right upper quadrant and listen there for 1 minute. Then we are going to move to the left upper quadrant and listen for 1 minute. Then we're going to move to the left lower quadrant and listen for 1 minute. And I would also auscultate the aorta, which would be 2 fingers or 2 inches right above the umbilicus, and I would listen for any signs or sounds of a bruit. A bruit can be normal in a healthy patient. So I would listen with the diaphragm, and I would also auscultate with the bell. And then I would note that he had normal bowel sounds, which would be high pitched and a gurgling noise that would be 5 to 30 times per minute. And within all 4 quadrants, it was around 10 to 15 for each one. Before saying that there are absent bowel sounds within your patient or client, you have to auscultate each quadrant for 5 minutes each before you can note that the bowel sounds are absent, because it is uncommon and it is also really not a good thing. You would also listen to see if they are hypoactive, which is a decreased sound, it's more low pitched, and hypoactive, which is loud and not high pitched. And that is all for my auscultation of the absent. Thank you.